In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Pocket FM app on your Android smartphone. So if you don't know which is the right app for you to install, then let me show you how you can do it on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do for you to be able to install this app, you need to go ahead and look for Google Play Store on your Android smartphone and then tap on it. From here, go ahead and search, or just go ahead and tap on search icon here. And now you can proceed and just search for your app with the name like that, and tap on search here to search for the app. And as you can see, we have Pocket FM audio series app is here. This is the app. With this app, you'll be able to get unlimited entertainment and audio series for every motion. So you can see the right app is by Pocket FM, so make sure it is from Pocket FM, and this is the current logo. At the time of recording this app has a star rating of 4.7 from over 4 million reviews, and the app is averagely 63 MBs in size. So when it comes to downloads, currently it has over 100 million downloads. So if you see these details, then you'll know that you have the right app. To install, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Pocket FM audio series app. And then once the download is done, it will be installed directly to your smartphone. From here, you can now proceed to start using this app, or if you go back to your apps now you should be able to see Pocket FM. Go ahead and tap on it to launch. So that's how you can download the right Pocket FM app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.